Hi everyone, welcome to la Cosedora Nail Art. I'm Lady and today I want to show you our new acrylic stamping plates. So let's do it! I want to show you how you can use these stamping plates. As we all know, stamping in our nails can get a little messy, so I'm going to apply my sweet love on my cuticles. Well, here are the 3 important steps of stamping. Apply polish, scrape the excess of polish, and pick up the sign with the stamper. You have to do this process very fast for better results. The way you pick up the design with the stamper is extremely important. Always do it gently by simulating a pendulum movement. Don't press it down too hard. Clean it by using tape or similar adhesives. Clean up your stamping plate with regular polish remover. Don't ever use acetone. Here is a tip for better definition. Cover the design completely with polish to avoid incomplete designs. The crystal stamper helps you to see exactly where you place your design. You can find it and our stamping plates in our Amazon store, link in description box. Finally, remove it, peel off, and that's all. You have a perfect and fast design. Hope you like this video and tell me in comments below if you want to see more videos of our plates. See you the next time. Bye!